Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all having a good day. I'm in the garage this morning trying to find Layla's shoes. I'm pretty sure that all of her shoes are in the car. Do your kids do that? Layla always takes her shoes off in the car and I can't find them in the morning. I was like, I swear you have more shoes than this. They're all right here with this mess. Please make me feel better and tell me that your car looks like this sometimes too. I just cleaned it.
That's what it's like for full day today.
I know it is.
And we get to do everything and we get to trick people.
You get to trick people, but you have to make sure that you're nice. Because you don't want to hurt anyone's feelings, huh? I don't know what's going on with my camera, but it looks different from this side, so hopefully it's all good. Netflix released, whoo, it's bright, a new Trolls series, or I don't know. They have had Trolls out, but anyways, I think it's like a new season or a new series or something. And they sent over some sidewalk chalk, which is so fun.
It said hello, look.
Hello, that's cute.
Because we have to say hello to Bella and Gabe and then get home.
Oh, that's nice, super nice. And they had these spelled out Trolls and then these cute little microphones. The kids do love watching Trolls on Netflix. So this is really fun. Did these ones color with pink?
Yeah.
Oh, not really. What are you doing right here?
I'm just coloring like...
You should write your name.
Oh, I didn't know that was that. I'm making it
Yeah.
all the way to Oak.
You're what?
I'm making arrows.
Oh, cute. You guys should make some little bunny footprints.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I have
Maybe
a-
the Easter bunny will follow those.
Okay, that's the house. And then the circles for
Yeah,
the East.
for the little toesies, huh?
The Easter bunny.
Great
The
job.
eyes. And then the back.
Oh, that's a cute little bunny. Darn cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this inside
Okay.
so it doesn't blow all over. It is a really nice day. It's not windy
all of
finally.
those garbage.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take the garbage in. I'll leave all the chalk. I'm gonna take the garbage in, okay, buddy? Also, I don't know why that's right there, but will you grab that for me?
What?
That tin? I don't know where that came from, but let's throw it away. Thank you.
No.
Thank you, sis. Yeah, let's get all these little green papers. Okay, I'm gonna come out here in a minute and see what you guys do. I wanna see your masterpieces.
Right now I'm coloring like a birthday cake.
Oh, that's a great idea. Lots of birthdays this month, huh?
Okay, and here are the candles.
How was school today?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Nice. One more day. Winston doesn't have school tomorrow. But you guys do.
So.
Oh, rude.
Oh, yeah.
True. Okay.
Cardigan.
The girls and I will be back. We have some fun things happening. I'm so excited. Also, bags of clothes.
Video.
What?
That's what I'm making for the other video.
What are you making?
A sword.
A sword. Cool.
For the pirate thing.
Awesome. We're getting ready to do a fun brand deal that I'm really excited about. The kids have been wanting to do challenges, of course, and it's a challenge, and it's going to be a fun one. It seems like we're always in the car.
No.
What does what look like, baby? It looks like 5,
What does this look like?
50,
What does this look like?
L, and the
How
backwards
much?
L.
What's 2 plus 2?
You tell me. Count 2, 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
How was school today?
Yeah.
Good. How was school today for you, Bray Bray?
Long and boring.
Long and boring?
I got to play at school.
Ew, me and Lakai went to Costco for lunch. And yesterday, I went to Costco with my friends, and one of them got a chicken bake, and I was like, no.
Well, I had a bite of it, but I only could taste the bread. I only took a bite of the bread, you know, like the top part of it.
Mm-hmm.
And it was super good. It tasted like a cheesy bagel, so I got one today, and I threw up in my mouth. It was so disgusting. It tasted like ham and potatoes. It was so gross. So does this sound so gross? Just imagine this. A cheesy bagel with ham and potatoes on it that's rotten. That's rotten.
It's not.
It was
Look how
so
cute
gross.
Braylee's nails are. My mom did them for her. Braylee went and stayed the night with my mom last weekend.
Yeah.
Or last week. And my mom did her nails. I did my
nails
nails.
grow really fast though.
I talked about these butterfly red aspen nails. I love them so much. They're so super cute. They're like the medium length, which I was worried about because I have to file them down a little, but they turned out so cute. Okay, yeah, I'll stop vlogging so that you can listen to your music. Anyways, we're on our way to Hobby Lobby to grab a couple more things for the challenge that we're about to film. And I'm stressed out, also very excited about it. Whenever I film a brand deal, I get so stressed out. And I want this just to be fun and not stressful. So I think that we've did a good job.
Yeah.
Because we've just taken it in phases. Today I was so stressed out that I cleaned my entire room.
That's good.
Because when I get stressed out, instead of like focusing on the project that I need to do, I just focus on something. It's not
When
a good.
I
It's not
get
good.
stressed out, I lay in bed and watch shows. So.
Yeah, I do that sometimes too. But I was trying to be productive, which my bedroom needed to be clean, so it's good. Okay, sorry, Layla. Here. Step on the crack. Layla always wins best outfit award. Cracks me up. And the shoes. And the JoJo bow. Did you hear that worst news ever? Hobby Lobby no longer has their coupon. What? Dang. That really
People are
sucks.
probably taking advantage of them. Like
I'm
you.
sure. Yeah. Me? You were the one that wanted that. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
What?
Layla.
Not me ordering.
And you ordering. Look at her. Always songs out on school days. That's so funny.
Don't worry, I'll pay for this.
Why? No,
Just
you
like
won't.
it. Yes, I will.
I can't see like any screens with these glasses on.
My
It's so
head hurts
weird.
so bad.
Why?
I don't know. It's because I clench my jaw and I sleep. So then when I wake up, my head hurts.
Same.
Now it hurts all day.
Oh yeah, I talked about this. I need to take this off so I can make sure you guys can see. I got Botox in my jaw. I talked about this a few videos ago to help with because I clenched my jaw really bad. And can you see what happened?
It didn't do anything.
It shouldn't be that big. It made these like little balls. It made it like worse.
That doesn't.
I've always had them, but it like created like a little ball.
I don't think so. I think you look pretty. I mean, I don't think you need Botox to look pretty.
Well, I don't get Botox in my jaw to look pretty. I get
know that you
Botox in
don't like
my
your
jaw.
wrinkles on your jaw.
It actually almost makes my skin like sag more when I get it
Do
because
people actually get
strong
Botox
jawbones like pull that up.
Do people get wrinkles on their jaw?
Well, you get like sagging skin everywhere when you're old. You'll see.
We haven't introduced them to
But
the
anyways,
fish.
I forgot to talk about that. It's kind of
Guys,
funny.
guess what?
The girls said that I just need to go in deeper into the muscle because mine is so bad. Like my jaw muscles are just so big. And I'm actually supposed to go and get microneedling done tomorrow and a face peel.
You're not gonna hit it. I did it.
Good job.
That was good.
But it's really bad timing because it's Easter, so I'm gonna look like a scaly fish on Easter. You're not paying.
Yes, look. Loaded.
Thanks, Bray.
Nobody take my debit card information. There's a lot of money on it.
Oh yeah, Bray got a fish.
I got 2 fish.
She got 2 fish.
One of them's named Sunshine that I introduced on my Instagram, and the other one's named Cloudy.
We're getting a soda. I've really been trying not to drink soda because I've been eating so terribly that I'm trying to clean it up, but I'm getting a soda today.
I almost just saw somebody crash.
It scared
I
Braylee.
kind of saw butterflies in my
Braylee
chest.
was actually really scared to get her license because she did see someone crash.
And I did crash, so.
You didn't. Who had so much fun? Did you guys have fun? Yeah, good. It's so much fun in here. I'm excited to show you guys. I will be working on it all day tomorrow. Okay, now we're gonna go get some dinner because that went a little longer than we had planned. Casey and I are going to grab some dinner while the kids play with their toys. They definitely earned it. It was fun, but it was still a little stressful and it always takes a lot longer. Where are you taking me?
To our special place.
It's Taco Bell.